So you might be wondering, how is this short storyathon different than any other writing project weekend? Well, first of all, nobody else offers a one weekend where you write and publish to Amazon, which is crazy, right? But it works because, well, not only that, some people worry that, okay, you write a short story in a weekend, maybe it's not good enough to publish, but they are, right? Even two of my short stories, I submitted them to contests and they ended up making second place in the women's. Let me see, I'm looking at one of my certificates, New Mexico Press Women's 2022 Communications Contest. So that was pretty amazing. So you can write a great short story. It is a lot of work, but not only am I a best-selling and award-winning author, I am a certified professional instructor. So I know how to create a schedule. I know how to teach as well as get people through the writing process. So, right, not everybody can teach. You may have been to some of those author events where they're chatting about things or they share information, but they're not really good at teaching you how to do it. But you come to the short storyathon, it is an instructor led, right? It's virtual, so you can take this from anywhere. But I do suggest if you're going to sign up that you mark that space on your calendar and do not schedule anything else, because we are going to be writing, we're going to be editing, we're going to be reviewing each other's stories, editing again, right? And then we spend the day setting up our account on Amazon and publishing. And publishing itself, it's one word, publishing, but it takes hours to get through the process because we are looking up the right keywords, figuring out the right title for sure, right? Coming up with a cover, whether you've hired someone on Friday to create a cover for you on Sunday, which, we have to find specific artists willing to do that in such a short time frame. And then we're also looking up the right categories. We're figuring out our description. So we do this as a collaborative effort as a group, and then we publish. So it's a long weekend, but it's really well worth it. I know I have published lots of short stories over my time. I've helped over 40 authors in the last 3 years I've run this. This year, my goal is to help 40 authors in the short storyathon in 1 year. So we'll see. I'm sure we'll do more than that, right? We can do more than 40. I'm going to make that 60 authors. So that means you have to sign up and help me make this goal. And let's see if we can get you a best-selling short story at a short storyathon. So hope you sign up.